I'm Andy Parkin, Managing Director of the Multi-Award Winning Speed Screed. I'm here to talk about lightweight screed. A variety of constituents make up lightweight screeds. These can include fine limestone, Portland cement, perlite lightweight aggregate and specially picked foam stabilising agents. To ensure that the quality remains consistent, the lightweight screed is manufactured under controlled conditions. Lightweight screed is used for thermal insulation on roofs and floors. Lightweight screeds are mixed with highly insulating premixed mortar to be used for attics, balconies and both flat and sloping floors. Lightweight screeds play an important role in lessening the weight by up to 80% as compared to regular concrete and screed. Tarmac's lightweight screed is a pretty popular option. It is a pre-blended, dry bagged lightweight screed. When you use lightweight screed on roofs, it is usually covered with mastic asphalt or felt. It's one of the most highly insulating premixed mortars. If you was to run water through the screed once it is set, it will not decompose or disintegrate in any way. This lightweight screed is not impacted by cold temperatures, whether it is set or dried or it is unused in powder form. Cement-based products generally shouldn't be laid in conditions below 5 degrees. This lightweight screed dries quicker than traditional sand and cement. The precise period relies on the screed's depth, climate conditions, ventilation and subbase. The substrate should be free from dust and clean from grease, dirt or any other contaminants that could impact bonding. Ensure that the substrate is wetted completely using clean water. Also make sure you brush the primer or bonding agent into the surface as per the instructions on the technical data sheet. When laying, first of all, spread the screed over the floor area and then work it into the base. Then ensure that the screed is even and thoroughly compact. Do not trowel excessively as this could lead to surface dust and crazing. Then to help the monolithic topping, rake the surface. Do not trowel too much. Protect the screed from any kind of damage after laying. The screed must be cured appropriately. Also see that the screed remains covered for at least 3 days by protective sheeting. Avoid using air blowers and underfloor heating or any other means to accelerate the drying process in its final stages. When you use lightweight screed for flooring, it requires topping as well. An ideal specification for your floor would be a 1:4 cement screed and ready mixed along with a monolithic topping of at least 15 mil. I hope this helps with your lightweight screed questions. If you would like any further help, please get in touch.